Hello everyone, welcome to Hassan's Tech Corner where we explore the latest and greatest in technology. I am Hassan and I am passionate about technology. I love learning about new gadgets, software, and I am always eager to share my knowledge with others. I hope you will join me on this journey as we explore the world of technology together. I am so excited to share my knowledge and passion for tech with you. I have been working in the tech industry for over 10 years and I have learned a ton along the way. I want to use my channel to help people understand technology better and to make it more accessible to everyone. I will be creating a variety of different types of videos on my channel so there is something for everyone. I will be doing how-to tutorials on how to use different tech products and services. I will also be sharing my thoughts on latest tech trends. I will be giving reviews of tech products and services and many more. I hope you will subscribe to my channel and join me on this journey. I am so excited to share my knowledge and passion for tech with you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in next video. Bye bye.